Today, we're diving into the latest scoop on the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Recent reports have surfaced indicating that this next-generation smartwatch has successfully obtained the SIRIM certification, marking a significant milestone on its journey towards a global release. What's more, sightings of the Huawei Watch Fit 3 in Malaysia suggest that its launch on the international stage is imminent. The SIRIM certification site has unveiled two distinct model numbers associated with the Huawei Watch Fit 3: SLO B19 and SLO B09. While this discovery may hint at the possibility of multiple variants, akin to the active and classic models observed with its predecessors, we eagerly await official confirmation from Huawei. Now, for those of you wondering what SIRIM certification is all about, it's basically the watchdog for the security and compliance of electronic and digital devices in Malaysia. Think wearables, smartphones, and more. It ensures that products meet the country's standards and safety regulations before they hit the shelves. While the SIRIM certification provides valuable insight into the Huawei Watch Fit 3's journey to market readiness, it leaves much to the imagination in terms of specific features and functionalities. However, industry insiders and enthusiasts alike have speculated on potential upgrades, including enhancements to design aesthetics, internal hardware specifications, and advanced health monitoring capabilities, which is expected. This isn't the Huawei Watch Fit 3's first rodeo on the certification circuit. Nope, it's already made appearances on the CQC and SDPPI certifications, signaling its upcoming launches in China and Indonesia, respectively. And now, Malaysia joins the list of countries gearing up for the grand unveiling of this cutting-edge smartwatch. Exciting stuff, right? Well, we'll just have to keep our eyes peeled for more updates as we inch closer to the official launch. So, stay tuned. And with that, it's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed diving into the world of tech with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more juicy updates. Until next time, peace out.